Want to keep your TikTok following list private so nobody else can see who you're following? I'll show you exactly how to hide it in just a few simple steps. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. This works the same way on both iPhone and Android, so no worries about the device. Once you're inside, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile page. Now, in the past, the only way to hide your following list was to make your entire account private. But TikTok has made it easier. All you need to do is tap the 3 lines at the top right corner of your profile to open the menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Inside this menu, look for the section labeled Privacy and tap on it. This page gives you a lot of control over who can interact with your account. Scroll down until you see the option called Following List. When you tap on it, you'll see 2 choices: Everyone and Only Me. If it's set to Everyone, that means anyone who visits your profile can see all the accounts you follow. To make it private, simply switch it to Only Me. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you'd like more quick TikTok tips, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.